Hi everyone, my name is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, and I am with my colleague and Tantra teacher, Jon Gosling from Manchester, UK. And in this video, I want to ask him whether he has any advice, thoughts, or insights around sex and aging, being an older person himself. So first of all, how old are you, Jon?
I'm 64. So yeah, my age is advancing rapidly, as everybody's age is advancing, but certainly my body is very different to what it was 40 years ago, even 20 years ago. And I think it's a really interesting concept where we generally, society encourages us to stay young. And certainly there are aspects that I would actively encourage for us to stay young in terms of having our outlook, having our energy, having new challenges and exercising and keeping vitality alive and eating good food. But at the same time, we are going through a natural process of our body changing. And let's be clear that our body changes from the moment we're born, and we develop because we can't walk, we can't talk, we're totally dependent, and we learn independence through our body changing and the ability to develop skills like talking and walking and reasoning. And as we get older, our body is less geared for reproduction, because the fact of the matter is that as we get older, we're less likely to be able to look after children, because the likelihood is that we are going to pass away before the child has matured. So there's a natural cycle to it, and it's a cycle to embrace. And I think the obsession with youth can lead us to trying to not embrace our bodies. And so my advice would be that it's an opportunity to learn new things in our body, new things about our body. So you know, I no longer just think of sex and get an erection. I have to develop my arousal to have an erection nowadays. And that happens through expanded states that I induce. So for example, through breathing, through the practice of just moving and feeling my body and feeling my erotic energy and developing erotic energy. So the aging process has brought me many gifts, and rather than look at the past and say, well, I no longer can do this and that, I look at what I can do and enjoy that, and I find pleasure not just in my genitals but all over my body.
Yeah, thank you very much for sharing. And for those of you who are interested, you can check out Jon's website for his work.
Thank you.